Lay's. They using about 201,500 pounds of potatoes an hour. It comes out to several million pounds per week, so they actually use a lot of potatoes. After they bring them into the plant, they go through a peeling process. They several inspection systems that can pull bad potatoes out of the process. They go through those inspection systems, and then they get sliced to the individual tips, drops into a washing system. After the product goes through that washing system, it goes directly into the fryer, gets fried in hot oil. They can make up to about 7,000 pounds an hour. Then it comes out of the fryer, and then it goes to another vision system that passes through that vision system. That vision system removes any defects under fried over fried product. Then it goes into either salted product or seasoned product, then goes to a conveyor system and goes out into the packages. Snickers. For Snickers, that basic recipe is an almond base made with egg whites, sugar and vanilla. Then, freshly roasted peanuts are covered in caramel. The caramel mixture is layered on top of the nougat, then machines cut the mixture into long, thin bars. Those bars are cut to size, 4 inches for a large Snickers and 2 inches for a fun size, and then covered in creamy milk chocolate. Orion Choco Pie. Orion using world's first largest oven. The Choco Pie by Orion is a layered chocolate biscuit with a cake layer sandwiching marshmallows in the center. One of the input components used in the production of Choco Pie and ensuring its long shelf life is its coating. The basic stage of the coating production process is conching, which involves the slow long-term, about 12 hours, mixing of ingredients at a constant high temperature, which ensures high quality and fine microbiological parameters. The coating also demonstrates high oxidation stability, which contributes to longer shelf life of coated products. M&M's. M&M's Minis and Peanut M&M's, as well as 21 different colors and custom print products. Conching is the first part of the process, when all of the raw material for chocolate is mixed together. The chocolate is then sent to standardizing, where it is tempered to the correct temperature needed to create the desired shape of M&M's. Next, the chocolates are sent through the cooling tunnels to ensure they are cooled and ready for the coloring process. Once the chocolates are cooled, they are given their signature colors, a process that can't be rushed. The coloring drips slowly until the pieces are vibrant. The signature colors are yellow, red, green, brown, orange, and blue. The newest color, blue, was introduced in 1995 after consumers voted on a color to replace the tan M&M's, which had been around since the late 1940s. FASA AB. Let's finish our episode with this product, which is one of the most popular around the world. Butter is used by people both in its raw form and as an ingredient for a huge number of dishes. Cream of medium or high fat content is used as the raw material. It ripens 2 to 4 hours in special baths for long pasteurization. Next, it's whipped. If you need to get sour cream butter, a special ferment is added to the mass. Whipping takes 50 to 70 minutes. When the excess liquid is removed from the mass, it's ready to be divided and pass.